You lift one leg up and you get the other one out somehow.
Yeah, but I feel like I'm gonna like fall through. Plus it's comfy. Like, no, not like that. Nice random thing there, random thing there. Am I skinny enough to get through this?
I don't know.
You might want to go to the other end. So you're not- That'd be nice if I was skinnier.
If you're that skinny, that would be not healthy skinny. That's like the size of a 12-year-old.